Alter. Holy fuck.
Bonjour, mesdames et messieurs. It is 7:45 in the morning. I got woken up by the market behind me. Weather is beautiful right now, so I'm looking forward to the ride. Sleep was almost alright, except the walls here are paper thin, and my neighbors had some sort of discussion. They were like screaming at each other, and somewhere at around 3 o'clock in the morning, I got woken up by the screams of a man who shouted at his wife. So apparently they have some problems. Yeah, my target today is Canet del Mare, which is like 290 kilometers away from here. And yeah, looking forward to the ride. Should arrive early, not sure when, but something about 15 o'clock. And do some washing and then enjoy the beach. Tried booking something in Barcelona, but prices there are ridiculously high. Then I tried something in Sitges, also in Spain. Also ridiculously high, and yeah, so I ended up in Canet del Mare. Seems like a lovely little town. Yeah, so I will now head down, had breakfast, and after that I will probably stroll around the market for a bit and see what they offer. Apparently the market is a bit bigger than I thought. And this part of the market is clearly more clothing or souvenirs related. I wish I had my other bike with me, so I had more storage. So I could buy some food.
So I left my hotel right now. It's 9:47 in the morning. My goal now is Canet del Mare. This is like 20 or 30 kilometers in front of Barcelona. Like I already told you, I tried to book something in Barcelona or behind it, but that stuff is really expensive, and the hotel in Canet del Mare was like 60 euros with private parking directly on the beach, and yeah, it seemed okay. So just 270 kilometers today, that should be easy enough. So I just figured out that one of my indicators has come off, so it kinda lost the screw, which wasn't lost at all because it was still on the cable. So I fastened it really fast while I was refilling gas. Alter. Holy fuck. That was first class oil or whatever. I didn't crash. Yes. I was thinking about it. Is this water or is this anything else? Yeah, it was something else. So from the smell of it, from the not being able to drive on it part, it was diesel. Fucking French. Killing me. Or trying to kill me.
So, break time. I'm standing somewhere on the D11, which is probably heading somewhere directly to Spain. Butt starts hurting a bit, but that's fine. Don't have that much kilometers left, only 170. I love how everyone is looking at me. Yeah.
to España.
So, I basically just passed the Spanish border, and yeah, I'm now having a break on this very ugly parking spot on a main road, which is boring but gets the job done. I just figured out that I don't have much oil left, so better refill it. Road maintenance, yay!
They did it! I had a walk on the beach, about 4 kilometers or something. Had something to drink and now I'm heading off to find something to eat. Which is a bit challenging here because everything is closed.
So, minor update, I am back at my hotel room again. I tried to find something to eat, which is kind of impossible over here. Yeah, I checked Google Maps beforehand, before I arrived here, and it said, yeah, there are a few restaurants, and indeed they are. But they are all fucking closed. So, I'm going to bed hungry tonight. Except I still have some cookies left, but yeah. So, no restaurants in my area. And also the stores are like a few kilometers away. So, note to self, do some research before you go somewhere. Which I actually did for my next target. But that's going to be a fun ride. It's 440 kilometers, which wouldn't be much of a problem if it would be highway only, but it is actually not highway and Spanish streets. And over here it's way more annoying than it was in France, because they have like roundabouts every 1 kilometer, every 2 kilometers, really annoying part. Yeah, I found part of the route online, which I'm going to take tomorrow, and Google and my navigation system will take me that road anyway. Hopefully it is any good. Yeah, trip should be something like 6 to 7 hours, more 7 probably. Yeah, not really sure if I'm looking forward to that, but we'll see. So that's it from me. And till tomorrow.